Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Etoro account on Android. In fact, I'm using iPhone for today's video, but this similar method that I'm going to show you is applicable for Android. So, what you will need to do is to actually download Etoro application through your Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store, or basically for iPhone you can go to the App Store and download the application from there. As you can see, this is how it should look like. Etoro Visitor Made Social. Then what you need to do next is to open it. And as you can see here, I am already in my account. Let me just log out. And the page should look something similar to this. So you will have similar methods to log into your account, but first you will need to own an account. Click on sign up, and here you will find different methods of signing up. For example, there is the Gmail account, so you can sign up with Google, or the normal method, which is using your email password and name, etc. So what I'm gonna do is to simply sign up with Google, and once I created my account, I can switch to sign in, and then I'm going to choose my sign in with Google method. Click on continue, and here you should choose your Google account. And as you can see now, click on continue and wait for the app to load. And just like that, we have logged into our account. Very easy, very simple, nothing complicated at all. And now you can simply go through the application, use it so you can buy yourself some assets, invest, use the virtual mode so you can test your skills, and also you can simply use it as a news platform so you can check for ups and downs in the assets, or basically in the digital products or whatever you want, so you can just use this application as a news thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.